Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and good. Today in this video I bring some new and latest collection or ideas or different pebble stone craft ideas for my viewers that you can easily make and decorative piece of art your different home decor ideas. If you are new viewers to my channel and watching my video for subscribe my channel, please bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will like this collection. In this video I bring some new and latest collection or ideas or for pebble stones that can be used for different decorative arts. As you have seen in this video, these are different unique craft ideas that can be used, and with the simple pebble you can create this sort of creative ideas. It also enhance your imaginative part as you put your all imaginative both futures on these stones, whether it can be in the form of for creating art piece throughout these stones and these are some ideas I have shown to you to create different craft ideas throughout it, and you can also use these craft ideas and these stones, and you can paint these stones into different chairs. As you have seen in this video, this pebble stone can paint it into different creatures, like create different thing from it to form a flower. With it, this pebble you can color them according to your desired outcome, and you can use this sort of creative